Hello everyone, hope you're fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the navigation button settings of your device Vivo Y02s. So if you want to change navigation button in your device Vivo Y02s, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this video and you will learn all about the navigation button settings of your device Vivo Y02s.